You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. It's a name of French origin. For reference, the French pronunciation is as Balzalgette. Balzalgette, but you probably hear for the pronunciation of this famous English civil engineer, Joseph. The British English pronunciation here, how it's said in the UK, Great Britain, Balzalgette, Balzalgette, Balzalgette. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.